Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Hinge app crashes. So let's get started with the video. So what you need to do is first you need to go to the settings, and in the search icon you need to search for Hinge application. So here you need to use force stop. It is basically you are relaunching the Hinge application. At the lower right corner you will see an option of force stop. Then click on OK. And then again relaunch the application. The next step which you can do is try to restart your phone. After this, press the volume down button and the lock key together, and here you will see an option of restart. Just try to restart the phone once. The next thing is go to the Play Store, make sure your application is up to date. Click on search icon and search for Hinge application. If you are using an iPhone, go to App Store. If you are getting an option of update here, just update the application. The next one is clear Hinge cache and data. For that you need to again go to the settings and search for Hinge application. Here, once you click on the Hinge application, scroll down. Here you will see storage icon. Click on storage, and post that click on clear cache at lower right side. After this, what you can do, you need to check if Hinge servers are down. So what you can do is you can go to your browser and in the search bar search for is Hinge app facing any kind of server issue today. You will get the status here. If it's not facing any server storage, the next thing you can do is check the storage of your phone. You need to make sure that your device is not on low on storage, due to which the app may crash. You can go to the storage section, and here you can check if your phone has the storage available or not. You need to, if it's full, then you need to delete the unnecessary files that you will see here, and you can go to the unused apps and then you can free up some space over here. The next thing is make sure you are using the updated version of the mobile phone of the software. For that, what you can do is here you can go to the search bar and search for software update, download and install. Just click on that and wait and check if your software is up to date. If it is not, you can just update the software over here. If all of these things are also not working, the last step which you can follow is to contact the Hinge support over here. Type in the search bar contact Hinge support and then click on the first URL that you will see. Here you will see the help center. Basically they will provide you all the details to contact. If you are from India, you can contact this. So this is how you can solve the issue of app crashing in your phone. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.